team, I want to emphasize the importance of maintaining a positive and supportive work environment. We've seen an increase in stress and burnout among our staff, which can negatively impact both patient care and our overall morale. It's essential that we prioritize our well-being and create a supportive culture. One way to foster a positive environment is to open lines of communication. Encourage each other to share concerns, provide feedback, and seek support. It's important to create a space where everyone feels comfortable expressing their thoughts and emotions. Additionally, let's focus on self-care and stress management. Take breaks, practice relaxation techniques, and prioritize your personal well-being. Remember, a healthy and rested staff is better equipped to provide quality care. By prioritizing our well-being and creating a supportive culture, we can enhance our job satisfaction and improve patient outcomes.
Mihira, I understand you're looking for some gentle guidance on managing and preventing leg cramps. It can be quite a jolt when a muscle suddenly tightens up like that, and I appreciate you reaching out for a compassionate approach. Let's talk about some strategies to help you feel more comfortable. When a cramp happens, the most immediate thing you can do is to gently encourage the muscle to relax. Stretching is often the first step. You can carefully straighten your leg and flex your foot upward, pulling your toes toward your shin to lengthen the calf muscle. Massaging the area with your hands can also help soothe the muscle. You might also find comfort by applying a warm towel, a heating pad, or even a warm bath to the affected area to help the muscle loosen up. If the muscle feels particularly sore afterward, some people find that a cool pack wrapped in a towel can provide relief. To help prevent cramps from happening in the first place, there are some simple, proactive steps you can take. Gentle stretching exercises before you go to bed can be very beneficial, as they help prepare your muscles for rest. Staying well hydrated throughout the day is also crucial because dehydration can contribute to cramps. It's also wise to avoid overexerting your muscles, especially in a way they aren't used to, as muscle fatigue is a common trigger. Making sure you have supportive footwear and keeping your bedding loose at the foot of the bed can also make a positive difference. Please know that these are general strategies, and it's always helpful to discuss any persistent concerns with a healthcare professional. Do you have any specific questions about these management strategies or preventive measures?